Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So it's day 3 in quarantine and I'm bored, and I thought let me do something productive with my life. So I'm going to make eyebrow tutorial for everyone and a few makeup looks, hopefully, if I stick to my plan. And then yeah, we'll just see how that goes. Like, I'm getting really bored because I've been in the house for like 2 weeks because school like closed, yeah, like 2 weeks back. So yeah, I've been chilling in the house. It's time to do something productive, so we're going to do a little makeup tutorial. So then, okay, basically, well, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. All right, let's continue. So you need an eyebrow pencil. Well, this one is black and brown. As you can see, I use the brown side a bit more than the black. You want it to be really sharp, okay, because you're trying to draw like really nice fine lines. So then you just want to test it to see if it's drawing like nice fine lines, and then we're just gonna start with that. Okay, I'm just gonna come closer, and then okay, so first off you want to start with just brushing up your eyebrow, okay, and then you want to use your eyeliner to kind of like from the middle going out, just outline the shape of your eyebrow. So you're gonna do that. Yeah, this is just my way of doing eyebrows. Like, it really doesn't take that much time. You've done that, you just want to extend it out a little bit. Yeah, I'd already started doing the strokes to fill in my eyebrows. So that's basically all you're going to do, just upward strokes, going to the side, just following the natural direction where your hair would actually be laying. Yeah. You just want to come in like from here and just lightly draw like a line just to the front of your eyebrows, and then I usually just do this with my fingers and then like kind of brushing the color into my eyebrows so that it's not too crazy, and then I just do that, then just fix it with your finger just to brush up, then go in, because I usually do this when I'm not even going to clean my brows, like just filling them in without cleaning. So you see, that's not too bad. Let's just do that side now. Okay, with that being done, we're going to now clean up our eyebrows with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Fawn. So you're just going to put it on the back of your hand, just like that, and then you want to get yourself a really flat brush. Okay, flat brush is your best friend, because you want it to literally like just go right under your eye, just, you know, just one sweep. So you're going to dip your brush in the concealer on both sides, okay, and then you want to make sure that it's like there, like enough product, and then you're just literally going to follow right under your eyebrows. And then okay, so now you want to get a sponge or a blending brush, whichever one works for you. So you just want to pull all of that concealer down. Okay, cool. So this is the cleaned brow and this is the one that's not cleaned. So you can just see that you can do whichever one, but then, you know, sometimes you just want it to be a bit more snatched. And yeah, so I'm just going to fix this other brow. Okay, so after blending that out, that's literally how your eyebrows look. And if you have a bit of like curly eyelashes, I mean eyebrows, you can come in with a spoolie and then just go over your brows and brush them. I don't really usually do this step because I don't have problematic eyebrows, but then you can just do that just to blend in also all the harsh lines and just to make your look more seamless. And yeah, there it is, eyebrows. And remember, your eyebrows are sisters, not twins. So yeah, that's the eyebrow tutorial from me, and I'll be doing a video right after this for a nice eye look, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys later. Stay safe during the lockdown. Stay at home, guys.